Have you ever wondered if the universe is infinite? Or pondered about the patterns that exist in the world around us, from the smallest particles to the vast cosmos? Welcome to the intriguing world of fractals and the Mandelbrot set. The Mandelbrot set, named after Benoit Mandelbrot, a French-American mathematician, is a collection of complex numbers. If you're thinking, oh no, not mathematics, fear not. Think of it like this. It's a magical kaleidoscope that creates infinite patterns, all stemming from a simple equation. It's like a seed sprouting into a tree, branching out into countless leaves, each unique but connected to the same root. Fractals, on the other hand, are a bit like Russian dolls. They're mathematical sets that exhibit a repeating pattern at every scale. If you zoom into a fractal, you'll see the same pattern emerging over and over, no matter how deep you go. It's a bit like zooming into a coastline. The closer you look, the more detail you see, but the overall shape remains the same. But what does this have to do with the universe or God, you might ask? Well, fractals and the Mandelbrot set are not just mathematical concepts. They are a way of understanding the patterns of the universe, the branches of a tree, the veins in a leaf, the spiral of a galaxy. All these are examples of fractals in nature. The Mandelbrot set, with its infinite complexity from a simple equation, is often seen as a metaphor for the universe. Just as a tiny seed can grow into a vast tree, so too can the universe expand from a simple beginning, the Big Bang, into the complex cosmos we see today. And where does God come into this? Well, many philosophers and theologians have used the concept of fractals and the Mandelbrot set to illustrate ideas about God. Just as fractals show the same pattern at every scale, some argue that we can see the imprint of a creator in the patterns of the universe. And just as the Mandelbrot set generates infinite complexity from a simple equation, so too, they argue, could a divine being create an infinitely complex universe from a simple act of creation. To summarize, the Mandelbrot set and fractals are mathematical concepts that create infinite patterns. They offer a way of understanding the patterns of the universe from the smallest leaf to the largest galaxy. And for some, they offer a way of contemplating the divine, seeing in the infinite complexity of the universe a reflection of an infinitely creative God. So next time you gaze at the stars or marvel at the intricate pattern of a leaf, remember the Mandelbrot set and fractals. They remind us that the universe is full of patterns, that simplicity can give rise to complexity, and that the infinite may not be as far away as we think.